Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about swing trading. We're going to be talking about the easiest and most simple strategy that I've used for over 6 years to trade full-time to make money. Whether you're trying to make $100 a day or $1,000 every single day from swing trading, we're going to be talking about a very simple strategy you guys can start implementing in your trading to make money. That's everyone's goal with trading, is to make money. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. Guys, if you guys are new to the channel and you're like, who is this random guy? My name is Carter. I've been a full-time swing trader for over 6 years. And with that being said, we do have an amazing school and community called the Swing Trading Masterclass. It's absolutely fantastic. We have private live streams, we got quizzes, we got lectures, everything you guys need to become a successful swing trader. And you guys can use code YouTube to get 20% off. So check it out down below. I'll see you in there. But guys, let's jump into this here. So starting off with swing trading, if you guys are new to it and you're like, how do you do it? So in simple terms, what you need is a broker. A stockbroker is how the average trader, the average investor has access to the stock market. So what I do and what I love Moomoo. It's the broker that I've used for over 6 years. I'll put them down below. They're awesome. They have good charting, good scanning, and it's just a broker that I've pretty much always used. So check it out down below. Now with my trading strategy here, I try to keep it as simple as I can. I love the expression MISS, M-I-S-S. Make it simple, stupid. Don't overcomplicate it. You know, personally, the more I have on the charting, the more overwhelmed I am. I know traders that have like 30 different indicators, 30 different chartings. They have so many monitors, and for me, I would look at that and I would be overwhelmed. So what I do is I make it as simple as I can so I can understand the stock to its fullest here. So this was a stock here that we recently called out and we traded. Ticker symbol AIZ. AIZ, one of the reasons I love it here is it has this good upward trend, as you guys can see. Going from lows at $113, hitting highs at $188. So we know there's good buying pressure involved. There's good trend. Trends, in my opinion, are super important for trading, because if you're a long trader, so meaning you buy and you try to sell at a higher price, trends are very important. It's just a higher percentage chance of getting buying pressure. Now you can have long-term trends, like this one here is about a year trend, but you also can have short-term trends. So as a swing trader, what I really focus on is short-term trends that I can make money off of. I use pretty much an indicator and different checklists to determine if I should buy this position. So one of the things here is, on the checklist that I have, is a stock on an upward trend. So AIZ, crossed it off. The next thing is the stock on support. So we actually entered the trade near and around 160, right in this range here. So you guys can see each and every time it hits this line here, we get good buying pressure. Hits it, buying pressure. Hits it, and we had that buying pressure. So there's two confirmations of buying pressure. Normally, I would prefer 3. So what I would do here is I would look at other indicators to determine if I should buy it. So some of the other indicators here is the RSI. The RSI stands for the Relative Strength Index. You guys can see at the time of purchase, it was trading for near and around a 30 on the RSI. The last time it was trading at a 30 was right in here, where we had that good move. Previous to that was right in here, where we had this good move. So we had that checked off. It's undervalued on the RSI. What is the MACD? The MACD is an indicator used for entries and exits. Historically, when a stock breaks up through the blue line, so it's called the signal line, which is the orange line, breaks up through the blue line, which is the MACD line, this historically represents a good entry point. You guys can see what the entry would have been actually near and around here, and we had that good move following that. So boom, that is checked off. The next thing is their volume. So volume is very important, and you guys can see it's pretty heavily traded, which is always good. So we're going through and making sure it can, follow our criteria. Personally, I don't buy just random companies. I find that incredibly risky, and I buy companies that I see value in. And this is what we had here. Entering here at about 160, what that gives us here is a really good risk and reward. So hopping in at 160, setting our target price up here at resistance. So we're actually continuing to hold this, and I'll explain to you why in my approach with it. So right now we risked $1 to make $4. Now you might be saying, Carter, well, why are you continuing to hold? What's your plan with this? It's very simple. So the strategy that I'm pretty much using that is if the previous day, if today's price breaks yesterday's previous lowest closing price, then we're going to enter this position. What that means here is if that just say today's tomorrow's stop loss is going to be near and around 168 to 167, right in this range. This low wick here would be my stop loss. I understand that we could make more money if we sold it today. I understand that, but I am looking to catch these stocks on these runners here, moving up higher and higher and higher. Another thing I could do is just draw a line like this, and if it breaks through that trend, then we will just exit the position. Either way, both of them are the same. Another stock here that we talked about, called out, and really watched here is Cheesecake Factory. Entering here at about 37, the stock's trading for 38.65. This here, the support was actually on a moving average line. I love the 90-day moving average line, and you guys can see it had tendencies of getting buying pressure on moving average lines in the past. It had heavy price support here at 36, and I'll draw that out so you guys can see it. Boom, boom, just like that. So it hits it, got good buying pressure. So we had several supports. We had the 90-day moving average line. We also had price support. And ever since that, the stock has been moving and grooving, and we are up. Let's go ahead and see. We are up near and around 5%, which is absolutely fantastic. So you'll notice that most of the stocks I buy are very similar. This one here traded on the 200-day moving average line. Today alone, it's up 1%. As of right now, the stock is up about 3-4%, which is always really good. So, the thing about swing trading is it's not about trying to find a stock for 20 cents and sell it at $200. It's about finding a stock at $1 and selling it for $1.10 and just consistently doing that. That is what makes up a trader. It's not trying to turn $100 into $1,000 in a week. No, it's about base hits that compound over time. A very similar stock here, DOV, great trade right here, trading on the 90-day moving average line, rallying up. Small base hits, that's what makes up swing trading, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. Guys, I know this past weekend I did not make any videos for you guys, but I actually did a triathlon. You can see my medal. Where is it? My medal right. It's right on my TV, right there. So that's what I've been doing this past weekend. So thank you guys. I appreciate you guys. We'll see you guys actually when we go live with the group here in a couple of hours. So I'll see you guys in there. Take care.